all my windows for the first order. There are some chips in the glass, there are some scratches I saw. I'm not really worried about it. I just want to see what they come back as, and maybe I'll sell them as a prototype for Encore or discount. I watched a lot of your videos, how you describe the top and a dip at the top, so I tried to find windows that were matched pairs for wear purposes of the glass and any tints or anything. And then I tried to find ones that I took a clipboard and put it over the top, and yeah, I could see a little bit of gap or some sunlight or something coming through, but then I saw in some of your videos you said that you should be able to get some of that built back up. So I tried to find stuff that, and I'm gonna take a lot of pictures beforehand, because these are gonna be something I sell. I would expect I may install one set or two, but I expect to sell them, and I want people to know what the cores look like, just so they have a good idea of, you know, what's underneath your work. But you know, there's detail lines hopefully left that maybe help out later. I tried to find some ones that are going to be easy for you. I know you're real busy and everything, but I also tried to find some that, you know, definitely need repair. But tried not to find any that were real rough here. I don't think I picked any that have been painted or bonded or anything over. I think these are all original. I don't really know why I'm showing you these videos, just to kind of get your opinion on them. I don't know how much you can see, what's shiny, what's dull. There's not a lot of, this is probably the worst one for cuts, but I watched you showing people's videos, or people's glass that they had sent in that were in really rough shape, so I know you'll probably have no problem with these. And like I said, I don't want to give people something that's a rough core as my first set to let go, so I want to get something that is decent to start with. This tab is not here on this one. I don't know if you want to build it, I don't know if you want to leave it, I don't know if you want me to send you a tab and you could attach it, but it just happens to be the glass I picked. And trust me, I took a lot of time. I probably looked at 100 pieces of glass before I picked these. I know in this notch back there was probably, from the windows hitting each other, there's some stud marks and things. I mean, if you could do the best you can, these are going to have your name on it, my name on it. Yeah, there's a nice big chip out of the glass right there. I understand I shouldn't be sending in glass that's already damaged, but it is what it is. I think these are good for both of us because they're not really destroyed. You shouldn't have more time in it than I would say an average set should. But tried to find stuff that wasn't too thin on the edge. Tried to find stuff that didn't have a dip on the top. Tried to find stuff that wasn't completely coming apart over here or really damaged glass. For everybody's sake, the person who was going to end up putting them in their car, for me, for you. But I want to go get these boxed up so I can get them shipped out. Just wanted you to get a look at everything. If you have any other questions before I do box them up, let me know. Talk to you in a few.